Look at this, guys. Ta ta ta. It'll be a wet day today. It's gonna rain all day. But I cannot stay longer in this town. I think it's about like a 50-kilometer ride to the hotel I booked in Hualien. So that should be alright. Yeah, I kinda wanna leave. Yeah, even though it rains, I just wanna leave. It's a bit of a pity because like the road ahead is really gonna be really beautiful. But yeah, I really wanna go. So I shall get going, pack everything up in the bags because it's gonna be wet. Even though it's raining today, I'm not down because I just heard the news that my girlfriend got her visa for Europe. So I'm gonna take her to Europe with me in a week from now. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. We were both very nervous because we only started like the visa application process like a month ago. And then also like the timing of when we applied for the visa was like on the 25th of July. And we were flying out on the 11th of August. And they said it's gonna take 2 to 3 weeks, maybe even longer. Which then would mean that we would have to change flights and everything. So we were both really nervous. Actually today we were looking on ways to like find out what the current status of the visa was. And then her aunt called, because that's where the place is that we sent the passport to, that the passport has arrived with the visa inside. So like only after what, 8 days, it's already all done. So that's really good news. So yeah, that makes this rainy day a bit more, how to say, a bit less down. So yeah, I'm just gonna get going, get out of this town. Let's go. Bye, crazy town. Alright, we're gonna have a bit of a highway stretch here, which shouldn't be long. So let's see. Here's the highway and the small way are together again, and you can immediately tell. Crazy busy. Big trucks. Blech. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I don't think that long. I think only for this stretch. Also not much of a shoulder. Yeah. Just keep on going. Wow guys, just when you come out of the tunnel. Sick. That is insane. Look at that. What a view. Insane. That's why I really wanted to cycle this road. It's so pretty. Look at that, guys. We've been here before. It's so weird. I feel like I just got started cycling. I was here exactly, I think about 2 months ago. Right on this spot with my girlfriend. We had a scooter, it was the same weather at the time. Now we're here again, look at that. Pretty nice. Oh yeah, that means that we're actually very close. It's not that far anymore. Very cool though. that, guys. So sick. Wow. Alright. I didn't go down this road last time. So I just want to go down this one way because I don't think I'll come here again. This is Ching Shui Cliff. So we're just gonna check this one out. Oh, slippery. 不能去海边吗？不能。Oh, that was a quick stop. Cannot enter, as you can see. Alright then, let's get back to the road. Literally until there's the road. And then you got trucks like that. Insane. Oh my god, guys, this tunnel is insane. I mean, there's no shoulder. Huge trucks. There's like this road on the side. I think it has been destroyed by a landslide because I couldn't see it on the other side. There used to be the road for cyclists, but man. And they have a cyclist sign right there. It's part of the cycling route as well. I haven't been so terrified in my life, I think. That was absolutely insane. I hear a truck coming, huge one, I think. It is. I mean, that's the kind of traffic you have to deal with. Insane. It's funny how it says like this place is busier than usual. Oh, there's no one here. Yeah, pretty interesting. That's a neat place. Taroko Lighten Cafe. Not bad. Does not look bad. Today's an interesting day because it was announced that like the, what does it say? Like one of the third most important minister in the American political system is visiting Taiwan today. And China doesn't like it. Originally she wasn't planning to visit because of the threats from China, but now she is. So, I don't know, we might be at work tonight. Let's hope not. Guys, here is Taroko Gorge. So yeah, you can cycle up there. They'll kick your ass for sure. But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna do a hike in there. So look forward to that. Taroko Gorge. This is the Taroko Gorge Bridge right here. Oh yeah. Oof, guys. I just arrived in Hualien. Check this out. There's a washing place across from the street. That's nice. And there's your mountains. Ta-da! And this place is like so cheap. It's only like 30 bucks a night. And you actually get quite a lot. I can even put the bike in the room, which is pretty nice. Anyways, I'll be staying here for 2 nights. Not entirely sure yet what I'll do tomorrow. I'll probably do a hike in Taroko National Park. I've already been to Taroko once. If you want to see that video, then click the I. I was here before with my girlfriend, so this actually reminds me of a lot of things. But anyways, yeah, we are in Hualien. The sun is setting, so it will be dark soon. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna wash myself up, and then we're gonna get some grub as well as wash some clothes, because I think I've been wearing the same underwear for like 2 days now, and like dirty socks as well for a day. So it's time to do some washing here. So that'll be nice. By the way, look at this bike. I actually just realized this bike doesn't have any fenders, which is actually quite annoying. I don't know why I didn't realize that before, but I only realized it just now. Or not just now, but today. I realized it today. Burger time. Let's go. Yeah, I absolutely devoured that thing. It was like, in one breath it was gone. It was pretty small. So I got another Italian spaghetti, but I changed the spaghetti for rice. Apparently you can do that and still add sour cream to the top. Interesting combination. But it doesn't look bad though. This is like your Taiwan twist to international recognized food. You don't get the same thing. It's like, yeah, they just give it their own twist. There's actually a Dutch restaurant in Taiwan, very close to where I live. It's even called like DC Netherlands or something like that. But the food that they serve there is not Dutch, not even remotely close to the food we have back home. Really funny though. Pasta was even spicy. So it was like spicy rice pasta, Taiwanese style. Not bad, not bad. Anyways, going back to the hotel, or to the laundromat at the other side of the hotel to get my laundry. It's done. I can go back in here.